Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to Motorola Moto E7 Power. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Now type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. You need to go with Send on OPPO and Receive on Motorola. Then tap on all of those dots, choose Send and send all of your files. It will take some time though, so for example, I will select only one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on Motorola, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into Files app, selecting in my case Images and tapping on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!